In the vibrant town of Salacity, where sunlight danced over the rooftops, a new trend was sweeping the neighborhood: solar energy installation. The residents, conscious of their carbon footprint, had collectively decided to embrace solar power to reduce their reliance on fossil fuels and lower their energy bills. Leading the charge was a local company, Sunbeam Solutions, known for their reliable solar installation and maintenance services. The company's owner, Mr. Ray Solis, was a passionate advocate for renewable energy. With his calm demeanor and vast knowledge, he quickly became a trusted figure in the community. The process of solar installation began with a comprehensive survey of each household's energy needs and roof condition. Technicians from Sunbeam Solutions, equipped with the latest technology, would conduct a series of assessments. They took note of the roof's orientation, shading from nearby trees, and structural integrity. Once a plan was devised, the team moved on to installation. This typically involves setting up solar panels on the rooftops and connecting them to the home's electrical setup. Sunbeam Solutions prided themselves on their meticulous attention to detail, ensuring each panel was securely mounted and optimally positioned. However, the service didn't stop there. Maintenance was a significant part of Sunbeam's offerings. Mr. Solis knew that for solar systems to operate at peak efficiency, regular checkups were necessary. His team offered annual maintenance plans that covered cleaning the panels and checking inverters and batteries. Residents like Mrs. Green, who lived on Maple Street, noted the difference the solar installation made in her monthly utilities bill. "I've never been more satisfied with a home upgrade," she exclaimed during a neighborhood gathering. Her friends, intrigued by the savings and environmental benefits, often scheduled consultations. As the months went by, Salacity transitioned into a vibrant hub of solar brilliance, with streets lined by homes topped with gleaming solar panels, effectively turning the town into a small-scale model of sustainable living. The story of this little town and its commitment to the environment made waves far beyond its borders. Mr. Solis continued his mission, delighted to see his solar-powered vision illuminate the lives of Salacity's residents.